Welcome back. We are now covering Python's flexible function feature, the ability to accept an arbitrary or variable number of arguments. This is done using two special syntaxes, *args for positional arguments and *kwargs for keyword arguments. These are essential for writing highly flexible, general-purpose functions. 1. Capturing positional arguments with *args. The asterisk, or star, before a parameter name, commonly named args, tells Python to collect all excess positional arguments into a single tuple. This means the function can be called with 0, 1, or 100 positional arguments, and they all end up inside the args tuple. When we call custom_sum, all the numbers are passed into the args tuple, which we can then iterate over or apply functions to, like the built-in sum function. 2. Capturing keyword arguments with *kwargs. The double asterisk, or double star, before a parameter name, commonly named kwargs, tells Python to collect all excess keyword arguments into a single dictionary. The parameter names become the dictionary keys, and the argument values become the dictionary values. In this example, user, ID, and status are all passed as keywords and captured inside the kwargs dictionary. 3. The full parameter order. When defining a function with both required, default, *args and *kwargs, you must adhere to a strict order. First, required positional arguments, then default arguments, then *args, and finally, *kwargs. Violating this order results in a syntax error. To summarize, *args and *kwargs are the tools for creating catch-all functions that don't need to know the exact number of arguments beforehand. This flexibility is widely used in library and framework design. Our next lecture 12, 18. Passing optional sprums to other functions. See you there.